Hey, you're not wrong there, Louise, as well, on a cold and frosty morning, but with a bright morning, also graced with a bright afternoon across most parts of the country. Here's the frost we saw this morning, actually down to -4 degrees, believe it or not, in Kew Gardens, -6 in Oxford, but at least we've got the sunshine. Any cloud has been a little bit further westwards across the country, for example, across Northern Ireland and Scotland, where we've seen some spots of rain. But whatever the weather right now outside of your front window is pretty much what we're going to see for the rest of the day. Temperatures averaging around about 6 degrees, but much milder in Stornoway, around about 11 degrees. Now, this evening and tonight, the temperatures drop off very rapidly once again, so Jack Frost is back with a vengeance. The harshest frost probably across East Anglia and the southeast. In built-up areas, we're talking about temperatures of, say, around -3 degrees in Tunbridge Wells, but in more rural spots, I wouldn't be surprised to see around about -5. So once again, first thing in the morning, you'll be scraping the windscreens on your cars. So then the frost, the lowest temperature actually any time between about 5 in the morning and 8 o'clock in the morning. In fact, at 8 o'clock, still a lot of red noses and ears out there. The temperature first thing in London around about +1 degree Celsius, and you can see still a lot of blue here, so very chilly out there. 0 degrees in Birmingham, really everywhere across England. It's pretty nippy. A big contrast across Scotland here. Look at the difference in the temperatures. 8 degrees for the central lowlands, 11 degrees across Stornoway. That's because we have mild Atlantic air coming in here, and also on top of that it's fairly cloudy as well, but we haven't had to go far. Hop across the Irish Sea into Wales, sunny skies, but frosty still, although Cardiff probably above freezing first thing in the morning, as will Plymouth be +4 degrees Celsius, and generally frost-free across Cornwall, Devon and the West Country. Now, through the morning, of course, the frost quickly disperses. We're left with sunshine for the bulk of the country, even a little bit more sunshine in the north of the UK, but across the southeast, a veil of cloud being dragged in by an ever-increasing breeze off the continent, feeling colder as well, so 6 degrees in London underneath the cloudy skies, but a warmer 6 degrees where we have the sunshine in the north. And the cloud is really the story as we head towards the end of the week. It was pretty grey, really, on Friday, 5 degrees across parts of northern England. And this is the outlook for the weekend. Fairly cloudy skies once again.